Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.11, Problem 5. This is Section 2.11, Problem 5. It says find the sum of 8 1/3 and 5 3/8. So the key word to tell us what to do is the word sum. Sum means I have to add. So this problem essentially says add 8 1/3 plus 5 3/8. And again, like the previous couple of problems, it can be done in this format easily enough. I prefer the vertical format. I think that makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to write it this way, 8 1/3 plus 5 3/8. Now, in order to add fractions, I need to have a common denominator, so I need to work with the 3 and the 8 and find the smallest value that I can that they both divide into evenly, which would be 24. 3 divides into 24 evenly. 8 also divides into 24 evenly. If it's not the smallest possible value, it'll still work, but the smaller the better. It'll just make it work a little bit easier. So now let's figure out what the numerators need to be. 3 times some value made of 24 must be times 8. And then 1 times some value, that value being 8, 1 times 8 will be 8. So that takes care of the upper fraction of 1/3. Now the lower fraction of 3/8, what's the new numerator? So 8 times something became a 24 would be times 3. So the numerator of 3 is multiplied times the same value, times 3. 3 times 3 would make a 9. Now I have a common denominator. I can combine the numerators. Common denominator is 24. Combine the numerators, 8 plus 9 more. 8 plus 9 more is 17. Don't forget the whole numbers. Those have to be added together also. 8 plus 5 more is 13. And that would make the final answer 13 and 17 over 24.